Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Don't adjust your screens, that is correct. I have the Sony Xperia 10 Plus for review. I will be doing a quick unboxing in this video. I will go over the specs, then I will come back with a different video and give you the initial setup and my first impressions of this phone. You can pick up this phone from Amazon and Best Buy today for $430. I will have the links in the description. I decided to pick up this phone because I just like the 21:9 ratio on the display. Plus I had the XA2 Ultra last year and it was a really good phone, so I want to see if they improved on it any bit and see exactly what this 21:9 screen actually looks like. That's enough of me talking, but let's get into this. Bam. Presentation, they have Xperia 10 Plus everywhere on this box. On the back, you do have what you get in here, some of the specs. Bam. But I'm gonna go over the specs in a little bit later. Let's see how the phone looks. Now, I picked up the silver one, but it comes in black also. The phone is on top. Ooh. Let's put that on the side. Let's see what else you get in the box. You get some startups, bunch of information. We don't read that. You have your Type-C charging cable. And then you also have your charging brick. It's supposed to be fast charge. Bam. Want to pause that? You can definitely do so. But no headphones, no case, nothing else. Sony, come on, get with the program. At least give me a case. And maybe some headphones. Alright, so let's get this bad boy under the packaging. Ooh, look at that. Bam, Sony branding, Xperia at the bottom. Alright. So let's put this bad boy up here. Let's see if we have any juice. While that's starting up, let's go over the specs really quick. You have a 6.5 inch full HD display, so 1080p display. It is 21:9 ratio, look at that. It has a lot of bezel at the top, by the way. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. It actually has a SD card slot that you can hold up to 512 gigs of storage on that SD card slot. It's running Android 9.0 straight out the box. It has a Snapdragon 636 processor. Here's where I'm a little concerned about the phone itself. It only has a 3000 milliamp hour battery. I have other phones that cost way less than that with way bigger batteries than 3000 milliamp hours. It is what it is. We're gonna see how that battery lasts. I will definitely let y'all know what I think about the battery life. On the back, you have a 12 megapixel and an 8 megapixel camera. It can shoot in 4K. The nice thing about it, I can actually shoot in 4K with 21:9 video, which we'll definitely test out. The front camera up there has an 8 megapixel camera. The second camera on the rear is telephoto. It's not a wide angle lens. Come on, Sony, get with the program. It does not come with any type of water resistance on there, or it does not have any type of wireless charging either. So if you like wireless charging, this phone may not be for you. The phone does come with NFC and also Bluetooth 5.0 if Bluetooth is a big deal for you. It definitely has that. It also has a high resolution audio, so the sound from this phone is supposed to be really good. We'll definitely test that out. All right, so let's go over the phone really quick. You have the camera up front, bam. At the bottom, you have a speaker, and I bet that is a microphone. You have the Type-C charging. On the left-hand side, you have your SIM card slot. Man, you just pull that out. That's weird. At the top, you have your headphone jack, and it looks like another microphone. On the back, you have your camera and the flash. You have Sony branding and the NFC logo there. On the right hand side, you have your power button. You have your volume rockers. And yes, that is the fingerprint scanner on the side. Yes, Samsung copied Sony. Bam. And then in the front, you have that 6.5 inch 1080p screen. Man, this phone is tall. This phone feels tall, but let's see, one hand use should be good. What y'all think? All right, so let's do some comparisons and wrap this video up. Let's see how tall this phone is compared to my Galaxy S10 Plus. Look how tall it is. it is also, it's skinnier. We knew that already. Let's see, hold on. Bam. Check out the bottom. That's actually, this phone feels really good though. It's got some weight to it. Let's check it out against my Motorola G7. Bam. Again, it's skinnier. Check out the sides. The bottom too. Bam. So if you like tall phones, this phone may be for you. Alright, one more. My Digi F1. Look, same thing. It's tall, man. Look at that. And it's skinnier like the other phones. But the Digi is a lot thicker because of the bigger battery. Same thing with the bottom. Bam. Look at that side too. Okay, everyone, so that was just a quick unboxing of the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. Stay tuned to the channel. I will come back and do an initial setup video and give you my first impressions. But you know I'm gonna do camera tests. I'm gonna do gaming reviews, speaker tests. Also, please let me know what type of videos you want to see on this phone in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. Say that 5 times fast, by the way. Please make sure you follow me on Twitter, become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.